Yes, welcome back children. So now we are going to solve a problem based on refractive index concept. See here we have a table of different mediums: ice, kerosene, benzene and glass, and we have the refractive index values of those mediums. Ice refractive index 1.31, kerosene 1.44, benzene 1.50 and glass 1.52. Now how they will ask questions? See, for example, first one, in which medium speed of light is more? In which medium speed of light is less? Like that they will ask some questions. First of all, whenever their table is given, just see what is the least value, what is the highest value. Among the mediums, what is the least value of refractive index? 1.31. Highest value? 1.52. That is for glass. Okay? Remember that thing. Now see the first question. In which medium speed of light is more? What we have defined, speed of light increases and decreases depending on the refractive index. From this relation we have, if n value increases, v value decreases. If n value decreases, v value increases. That means if the refractive index value is very less, then the speed of light in that medium is high. Now see, the speed of light is more. That means the refractive index value should be very less. Among the four values, which is the least value? Ice. Then you have to answer in what way? So the speed of light is more in which medium? Ice. Ice, because the refractive index is very less. That is, you have to write the answer. Because refractive index of ice is less. That is 1.31. In that way you have to answer. Now based on this question, see the second one. In which medium speed of light is less? Speed of light is less in if the refractive index of the medium is more. So among the four values, what is the maximum refractive index? 1.52. So in class, the speed of light is less. Comparing three mediums only, four mediums only. So you have to write the answer. The speed of light is less in glass. Less in glass, because the refractive index of glass is 1.52. So are you able to understand? See, the speed of light is more if refractive index value is less. That is 1.31 among the given four values. The speed of light is less. That means refractive index should be more. So among the given four values, refractive index is 1.52. This is more in the following. That's why these two questions are answered like this. Next, classify denser and rarer mediums. Denser and rarer mediums. In which mediums? They have given two, ice and kerosene. We have two mediums, ice and kerosene. Now compare those two. Ice refractive index value 1.31. Kerosene refractive index value 1.44. So we should know which is denser, which is rarer. And now remember the definitions of denser and rarer mediums. What is denser medium? In which medium the speed of light decreases, that medium is taken as denser medium. Okay? The refractive index value also depends on speed only. Now see, in which medium the speed of light decreases, that is called denser medium. The speed of light decreases means refractive index value increases. Yes? So among these two, which is having more refractive index value? So write ice value, how much? 1.31. Kerosene 1.44. 1.44. So this is having more refractive index value. That means this is more denser compared to ice, because the speed of light in kerosene decreases. So which one is denser? Here the denser is nothing but denser medium is kerosene. Why? The refractive index value is 1.44. On based on what relation? Definition. In which medium speed of light decreases, that is known as denser medium. And in which medium speed of light decreases? If the refractive index is more, the speed of light decreases. So the refractive index is more for kerosene compared to ice. So that's why this is denser medium. Next, what is rarer medium? Rarer medium nothing but ice. Why? Rarer medium means the speed of light increases, that medium is known as rarer medium. The speed of light increases in which medium? If the refractive index value is less. So among these two, which is having less refractive index value? Ice. That's why rarer medium is ice, denser medium is kerosene. In that way we have to classify denser and rarer mediums based on refractive index values, and by remembering the definitions of denser and rarer medium. And one more question they will ask by giving table based on refractive index. Find the speed of light in benzene. Not only benzene, they will give different values. Okay, whatever it is, we have a formula, general formula. What is that? N equal to C by V, and we know the constant value. What is that? C equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. They didn't give the constant value in exams, but we have to remind it because it is a standard value, constant value. And what is the value of refractive index of benzene from table? So we know N equal to 1.50. Now what we have to find out? Speed of light in that benzene. So substitute it. N equal to C by V. What we have to find out? V value. So write formula for V value. That implies V equal to C by N. Now substitute the given values. C value 3 into 10 power 8. 3 into 10 power 8 by what is N value? Refractive index of benzene 1.50, and it is easy to calculate. How? 1.50 decimal is there na? Multiply and divide with the 10 by 10. You will get 30 by 15, and write the 10 power 8 value as this. Now 52s are 30. So we get 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. That means the light travels with 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second in benzene. So in this way they are going to ask different types of questions based on refractive index. Only you have to remember is the concept N inversely proportional to speed of light. Okay, clear? So next we are going to see an important topic. Okay, good.